Good afternoon, teacher and classmates. My name is Jessica Alexandra Chivata Uzcategui, a foreign language student with an emphasis in English. Third semester. This educational video is a order to guide some examples about the phonetics or pronunciation of some words that sound and are spelled similar. Okay, let's start with the first example, and these are their words. Quit, quiet, quiet. Quit, quiet, quiet. Similar sound and similar speed. First, first example, quit, which translates is abandonar o dejar. An example sentences could be is I quit smoking. Second example is quiet, quiet, which translates is tranquilo o silencioso. An example sentences could be quiet, quiet, be quiet. Okay. Finally, we have the word quiet that translates is bastante and is used to emphasis in the word. For example, sentences could be is she is quite pretty. She is quite pretty. Okay. Next example. They are, there are. Now we are going to talk about the pronunciation of the there and there are. Let's start by knowing your translation. They are. Ellos son o ellos están. Ellos son o ellos están. They are. Some sentences with they are can be they are nice, they are quiet, they are coming, they are here, they are rich. Now we go with the there are. Lo que traduce hay de cantidad, es decir, que es cuantificable. Some sentences with there are can be there are many, there are six, there are some, there are cups, there are bananas. Son palabras que suenan parecido, pero en su pronunciación y en su escritura son diferentes, o que muchas veces son similares, pero al momento de traducirlas son diferentes y se utilizan en diferentes contextos, básicamente. Bueno, thank you so much for watching the video until the end, and I hope you like it. Bye bye.